Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2006 Ford F-150 LARIAT, and in this video I will show you the blower motor fuse and relay. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2004 all the way up to 2008. Okay, both the fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box just next to the passenger right leg under this cover. Now let me just turn the flash on my phone. Okay, now to remove this cover you just want to pull it towards yourself. It's held by two clips, very easy to remove, and now you'll get access to the fuse box cover. To remove that, the easiest way is to use your flat screwdriver. Just pry it inside here and pull it up towards yourself. It will just pop out. And now you will get access to all of the fuses, and on the cover itself you'll have a nice fuse diagram. Okay, and the fuse you want to check is the fuse number 116. It's a 30 amp fuse located right here. So this is the fuse you want to check. And the relay responsible for the blower motor is the one right here. So if the fuse is good, you can try maybe replacing this relay with any of the other ones just to test it and see if that makes a difference. If it does, then you can just buy the new relay. It's like a couple of dollars, so you can replace it and get it done. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.